Racing our 1965 Classic Car League at the South African Grand Prix. Coming up next. Hello once again, race fans, and welcome back to our final race of our 1965 Classic race, where we are going to be racing down at the South African Grand Prix. And if you want to learn how to build this great track, check it out on our masterclass over at Patreon, coming up at the end of the video. It's a really cool track. The last time I built this track was 2 lanes, so that's going back to 2015. I looked it up. Anyway, stay tuned at the end of the race, where I will be discussing this great Carrera giveaway and how you can get in on the fun. So this will be our last race of this league, because I am finally able to take 2 weeks holiday after 10 years of working this business non-stop, day in, day out, month after month after month. Gonna go visit some family, so that'll be quite good. So for the next 2 weeks, there will be no slot car videos being uploaded. However, we will be returning for our DTM league coming up after in September. So that'll be much fun. Anyway, without further ado, because I rambled on too long, let's go down to the races. Whoa! Right off the bat. Yep. Alright, so here we are down at the South African Grand Prix. It's just me, Glenn, and Mark. All you other guys are losing your pole positions tonight. Anyway. But oh, well, I thought I was bleeding. Now, So 45 laps, me, Mark, Glenn, 55 seconds for me. That's an old car. Yeah. How long have you had that? These here. So they're like
2013?
16.
No, you had it at the old place. I think you did. Which one was your first one?
It was
Oh, the purple one. Oh, yeah, the Ford. Okay. Yeah. Well, I know you had it for a long time, but you had it for... Well, I think it was maybe the second cars you bought.
Here's our standings after the race. At South African Grand Prix, I got 53 points, Mark got 44, and Glenn got 57. Now there's only 3 of us racing, so I don't need to zoom the board in anymore. Next week we will not be doing Suzuka, and the week after we will not be doing Warwick, because after 10 years of running the store non-stop, I'm finally getting a 2-week vacation. I'm gonna go visit family. So, without further ado, let's see where our league points are. And here's our standings after the league. I'm in first place with 277 points. Glenn is closely behind with 273 for second. Howard is in third with 221. Kevin is fourth with 207. Rosie is in fifth with 92 points. Mark got up to sixth place with 74. Pete is in seventh with 42. Eric is in 8th with 38, and Craig is in 9th with 14 points. Well, I hope you enjoyed that amazing slot car race and that you have enjoyed watching our slot car league as it progressed along. And if you want to build this track, plus all the other tracks we raced for the last 2 months, don't forget to go and check them out at our masterclass coming up at the end of the video. It'll be a little video description up here somewhere or whatever. And along with that, we are still trying to give this thing away. This is our Carrera tow truck. It's a really cool model. If you turn the box around, you can see that the tailgate goes up and down, can hook to any kind of car. I used to think it couldn't do the Formula Ones, but somebody corrected me. There is an extension on this. Actually, I don't know. I thought that was a red arrow. Anyway, so you can get this amazing tow truck. All you gotta do is enter our tow truck thing down here at the end of the video. Really cool. You want to be able to get this. We want to make 5,000 subscribers over on our Madcap Romanian channel. My goodness. So anyway, our next race will be DTM, so that'll be coming up in September. And until next time, slot car fans, happy racing!